the eigenvalue, eigenvector and modal matrix for the matrix given matrix A. So to find the eigenvalues and eigenvector and modal matrix, we have to find first the characteristic equation, and characteristic equation is A minus lambda I is equal to 0. Determinant of A minus lambda I is equal to 0 is the characteristic equation. So using this one we have to put the value of A, lambda and I we have to consider identity matrix of 3 by 3. So what we will get here? Determinant of 8 minus lambda minus 6 2 minus 6 7 minus lambda minus 4 2 minus 4 7 3 minus lambda is equal to 0. This is the characteristic equation. We have to solve this one using the expansion of this matrix, but we can use another method using delta lambda cube minus s1 lambda square plus s2 lambda minus determinant of A is equal to 0. Now what is S1? S1 is the sum of diagonal elements of A. So S1 is equal to 7 plus 3 10 plus 8 18. S2 is the minors of diagonal elements, that is 7 minus 4 3 plus minor of this 7 is 8 2 2 3 8 2 2 3 plus minor of 3 is 8 minus 6 7 8 minus 6 and 7. Now by solving these two we will get S2 is equal to 45, and solving the determinant, we will find determinant of A that we are getting 0. So we can find determinant of A that we are getting 0. So using this S1, S2 and determinant of, we have to put here. So we will get the equation lambda cube minus 18 lambda square plus 45 lambda minus 0 is equal to 0. So lambda we can take common, lambda square minus 18 lambda plus 45 is equal to 0, and by factorization this we will get lambda into lambda minus 3 into lambda minus 15, lambda minus 3 into lambda minus 15. We can factorize it and get the values of lambda. So we will get lambda is equal to 0, 3 and 15. So these are the eigenvalues of matrix A. 0, 3 and 15 are the eigenvalues of matrix A. So corresponding to these eigenvalues we have to find eigenvector. Since here we are getting 3 eigenvalues, so let x1, x2, x3 be the eigenvector for the eigenvalues 0, 3 and 15, such that A minus lambda I into x is equal to 0. So using this one we will get 8 minus lambda minus 6, 2 minus 6, 7 minus lambda minus 4, 2 minus 4, 3 minus lambda. We will put the value of A minus lambda I, this one, into x. X is this one, this is x. So x1, x2, x3 is equal to 0, 0 and 0. So we will get the equation. We have to expand it. So 8 minus lambda into x1 minus 6x2 plus 2x3 is equal to 0. This first row multiplied by this one, 8 minus lambda into x1 minus 6 into x2 plus 2x3 is equal to 0. Similarly here, minus 6x1 plus 7 minus lambda into x2 minus 4x3 is equal to 0. Similarly here we will get 2x1 minus 4x2 plus 3 minus lambda into x3 is equal to 0. We are getting these three equations. So corresponding to the value of eigenvalue 0, we will get put the value of lambda is equal to 0 in these three equation. For lambda is equal to 0, we will put the lambda 0 here. 8x1 minus 6x2 plus 2x3 is equal to 0. Then minus 6x1 plus 7x2 minus 4x3 is equal to 0, and 2x1 minus 4x2 plus 3x3 is equal to 0. Now we can check here, all these three equations are different, so we have to find the value of x1 and x2, and that value satisfied in third equation. So using these two equations we can get the value of x1, x2 and x3. x1 is equal to determinant of 7 minus 4 minus 4 3. 7 minus 4 minus 4 3 is equal to minus x2. Minus we are considering, since we are considering these element first. Minus 6 2 minus 4 3 is equal to x3 upon minus 6 7 2 and minus 4. So we have to solve this one. So we had to get the value upon. Now x1 upon 21 minus 16 is equal to minus x2 upon minus 18 plus 8 is equal to x3 upon 24 minus 14. So this we will get x1 upon 21 minus 16, which is 5, is equal to minus x2 upon minus 10 is equal to x3 upon 10. So this we can write it equal to 1 by 10. So x1 is equal to, we have to put h is equal to 5. So x1 is equal to 1, x2 is equal to 2 and x3 is equal to 2. So corresponding to the value of lambda is equal to 0, we are getting the eigenvector 1, 2 and 2. Similarly, we have to get the, now we consider for lambda is equal to, as we consider 0, we got 3 equation. If the equation, that earlier equation, if we put lambda is equal to 3, so we are getting these 3 equations. By putting lambda is equal to 3, we are getting these 3 equations. Now solving these 3 equations, again the equations are different, so we have to consider these 2 equations. Any 2 equation we can take it. So x1 upon determinant of 4 minus 4 minus 4 0, 4 minus 4 minus 4 0 is equal to minus x2 upon minus 6 2 4 minus 4 is equal to x3 upon minus 6 4 2 minus 4. So solving this this equation, we will get x1 upon 0 minus 16, that is minus 16, is equal to minus x2 upon 24 minus 8, 20 plus 24 minus 8, that is 16, is equal to x3 upon 24, again minus 8 is 16, and this is equal to, we can consider it is 1 upon 16. So x1 we are getting minus 1, x2 we are getting minus 1, and x3 we can get 1. So corresponding to the lambda is equal to 3, lambda is equal to 3, we get the eigenvector minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 minus 1 and 1. So next is the corresponding to the lambda is equal to 15. Corresponding to the value of lambda is equal to 15. So for lambda is equal to 15, if we put in the characteristic equation lambda is equal to 15, so we get these 3 equations. So again we can simplify these 2 equations, so we get minus 7x1 minus 6x2 plus 2x3 is equal to 0. We can divide it by minus 2, so we will get it 3x1 plus 4x2 plus 2x3 is equal to 0. This also we can divide by 2, so x1 minus 2x2 minus 6x3 is equal to 0. Again the equations are different, so we have to simplify last two equations. So we get x1 upon determinant of 4 minus 2, 2 minus 6 is equal to minus x2 upon 3, 1, 2 minus 6 is equal to x3 upon 3, 1 and 4 minus 2, that equals to, we have to simplify it, x1 upon minus 24 plus 20, that is minus 20 is equal to minus x2 upon minus 18 minus 2 minus 20 is equal to x3 upon minus 6 minus 4 minus 10. So this equal to, we can take it 1 upon 10. So using this one we can get x1 is equal to minus 2, x2 is equal to 2 and x3 is equal to minus 1. So corresponding to lambda is equal to 15, we are getting eigenvector this. So the modal matrix B will be given by, for lambda is equal to 0 we got the eigenvector 1, 2, 2. For lambda is equal to 3 we got the eigenvector minus 1, minus 1, 1. And for lambda is equal to 15 we got the eigenvector minus 2, 2 and minus 1. So this is the modal matrix B. This is the answer.